Imagine a world where you can see every project trend, anticipate delays, optimize resources, and make data-backed decisions at every stage. That's the power of AI and machine learning in project management. Today, we'll dive into how to use AI and machine learning for data-driven insights in project management, making it easier to tackle even the most complex projects with confidence. Hey everyone, welcome back to NxtChair. If you're new here, I'm Rohit, and on this channel, we're all about mastering project management skills, especially with emerging tech like AI and machine learning. In today's video, we'll explore how AI-driven insights can help you streamline project management, from planning and risk mitigation to team collaboration and resource optimization. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our project management insights. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and drop a comment. It really helps us bring more valuable content to you. The challenge of data overload in project management. Let's start with a quick story. Meet Jordan, a project manager at a fast-growing tech company. His team was managing multiple projects across departments, each with its unique challenges and deadlines. He felt overwhelmed by the constant flow of data from multiple sources, timelines, resource usage, risk logs, and progress reports. Tracking this information manually was tedious, and he felt that the insights he needed were buried somewhere in this data jungle. Then, his company adopted an AI-powered project management platform with machine learning capabilities. At first, Jordan was skeptical. How could a tool really make sense of all that data? But soon enough, he saw how these AI-driven insights turned his scattered information into actionable data, which transformed the way he managed projects. So, how did AI and machine learning change things for Jordan? Let's dive into the first area, predictive analytics. 1. Predictive analytics for project timelines. The first feature that Jordan noticed was the predictive analytics capability. By analyzing historical data and real-time updates, the AI could forecast potential project delays or obstacles. Instead of reacting to issues as they arose, Jordan's team could predict when certain tasks were likely to slip, allowing them to act proactively to prevent delays. For example, if a particular phase of the project was consistently lagging, the AI would analyze factors such as team availability, past task completion rates, and task complexity to forecast a potential delay. This insight helped Jordan adjust team allocations, prioritize resources, and set realistic timelines, making his project management process not just reactive, but proactive. If you think predictive analytics could benefit your projects, hit the like button and let us know in the comments how you currently handle project timelines. With predictive timelines in place, let's move on to how machine learning optimizes resource allocation. 2. Machine learning for optimizing resource allocation. Resource allocation can be a balancing act in project management, especially when teams are working on multiple projects simultaneously. For Jordan, assigning resources manually was challenging, as he had to consider skills, workload, and task requirements. With machine learning, however, his project management tool analyzed past data to understand how resources were typically allocated and adjusted assignments based on project needs. The AI took into account each team member's skills, availability, and task history, suggesting the ideal team for every phase of the project. It even highlighted when certain team members were overworked or underutilized, allowing Jordan to make smart adjustments that kept productivity high. As a result, Jordan's team was more balanced, reducing burnout while maximizing project efficiency. If resource allocation is a challenge for you, subscribe to our channel to learn more about optimizing resource management with AI. Now that resources were balanced, Jordan noticed another game-changing feature, automated risk management. 3. Automated risk management and issue detection. One of the most impressive features of AI and machine learning in project management is automated risk management. Traditionally, Jordan's team would track risks manually, often missing subtle warning signs until they escalated into bigger issues. The AI-driven tool, however, identified risks in real time. It flagged potential issues like missed deadlines, budget overages, or resource shortages based on data patterns and trends. For instance, if a task completion rate slowed unexpectedly, the AI would alert Jordan and provide suggestions to mitigate risks. Machine learning algorithms analyzed similar projects and predicted where issues might arise, suggesting specific actions to address each risk. With these automated insights, Jordan didn't need to spend as much time troubleshooting. The AI system provided proactive solutions, allowing his team to address risks before they could disrupt the project. If proactive risk management sounds helpful, like this video and share it with your team. With risks managed, let's look at how AI can improve stakeholder reporting. 4. AI for enhanced reporting and stakeholder communication. One of the biggest benefits Jordan found was the automated reporting and data visualization AI offered. Instead of compiling data from multiple sources to create reports for stakeholders, the AI system generated comprehensive dashboards that updated in real time. It tracked KPIs, visualized progress, and made project updates easier for everyone to understand. These real-time reports were accessible to all stakeholders, allowing them to stay updated without having to wait for formal meetings. This transparency fostered trust and kept communication clear, as stakeholders could see live data about project timelines, resource allocation, and any risk indicators. For Jordan, this meant less time spent on report generation and more time focusing on high-impact project decisions. Finally, let's explore how machine learning enhances decision-making in project management. 5. Data-driven decision-making with machine learning insights. Data-driven decision-making was the most transformative aspect for Jordan. AI-powered project management tools didn't just track data, they made sense of it. By identifying trends, machine learning algorithms provided recommendations based on past projects, team performance, and resource needs, enabling Jordan to make better informed decisions. For example, if the AI detected that certain types of tasks consistently caused delays, it recommended strategies such as breaking them into smaller tasks or adjusting timelines. These insights were data-backed, helping Jordan lead with confidence and tailor his approach for better project outcomes. The AI system also identified patterns in project success, allowing Jordan to replicate strategies that had previously led to successful results. In short, machine learning gave him a roadmap to make faster, smarter decisions with less guesswork. Conclusion: the power of AI and machine learning in project management. And there you have it. By using AI and machine learning, Jordan was able to take a data-driven approach to project management, achieving real-time tracking, predictive analytics, efficient resource allocation, proactive risk management, and streamlined stakeholder communication. These tools not only enhanced his team's efficiency but also gave him the insights needed to make better project decisions. If you're ready to incorporate AI and machine learning into your project management process, these tools can help you turn data into actionable insights, giving you an edge in managing complex projects. If you found these insights helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your team. And tell us in the comments, how would AI and machine learning help your projects? Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep building data-driven, smarter projects.